What's your next ingredient?
Turmeric.
Do you really think Ray McVinney puts turmeric into his curry?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you'd be wrong. The winning streak is over.
And I can see lots of bobby things on top. I can see there's cinnamon stick in there. I can definitely see curry leaves.
And your 2 minutes starts now.
As I know it's an Indian curry, I'm starting to run through base Indian spices, ginger, garlic, curry leaves. Quite often you'll have a tomato base, onions, turmeric,
1 minute 15 to go.
paprika, cumin, coriander. Vegetable oil, I'm not sure, but I put vegetable stock.
1 minute from now, you're halfway.
Initially I wrote down lamb, then I tasted it, I realised it was beef, so I wrote down beef.
10.
3/4 of the way through I had a little bit of brain freeze, I'm trying to think.
7, 6, 5, 4.
And then I think coriander and
3,
cumin.
2, 1. Time's up, Anna. Step away.
I think by the end of it I've got about 18.
As soon as I knew it was a curry, I sort of knew, right, base ingredients, ginger, garlic, onion.
And your time starts now.
2 minutes to write down as many as you can. It seems like a long time, but it's not. As soon as you are there and you're going a bit mental, trying to see what you can see and taste what you can taste, you forget about the basics. I took the meat and I'm like, this is going to be one of those times when it's either beef or lamb.
1 minute.
I chewed and chewed and chewed it and I couldn't taste any lamb, so I figured it had to be beef.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away.
There were a couple of things that I saw in there that I didn't end up putting down. I could see some little leaves. I think they were curry leaves, which is really annoying. Hopefully I did well enough to get off to a good start.
Okay, Anna, your ingredients, please.
Potato,
Off to a good start.
peas,
We could all see plenty of peas in the curry.
curry leaves.
Think Ray McVinney puts curry leaves in his curry?
Yeah.
Curry leaves.
I could see curry leaves in there. I just forgot to write them down.
Green chilli.
Green chilies.
I wrote lamb. Well, I know it's not lamb.
Lamb. Could you taste lamb?
I couldn't taste lamb. It
Good
looked like lamb.
guess.
It was before I tried it.
Good guess.
Oh.
Lamb.
Coriander.
Yes, there is coriander.
Vegetable oil.
It is veggie oil.
Cinnamon stick. Ginger.
I couldn't see ginger in there. Could you see ginger in there?
I could taste it.
Well, you would have been right.
Garlic.
Yep, it was garlic. That's 10 out of 10.
Ooh. Onion.
I'd really like to say there's onion under here. And there is. What's your next ingredient?
Turmeric.
Do you really think Ray McVinney puts turmeric into his curry?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you'd be wrong. The winning streak is over. 11 correct. Do you want to know how many Chelsea got right?
No, not yet.
I'm going to tell you anyway. She got 11 right.
Oh.
Anything you get right from here on in is going to put you in the lead. What's your next ingredient?
Tomato paste.
There's no tomato paste.
And I put beef. So that's wrong.
3 wrong in a row.
I know.
What's your next ingredient?
Veggie stock.
Boy, things are going from bad to worse for you.
Okay. Canned tomato.
Yes, there are tomatoes. You are 1 point ahead of Chelsea.
Cumin seed.
Cumin seed. How many more have you got on your list?
Last one.
If there's cumin seed on this table somewhere, it'll put you 2 points ahead of Chelsea. So is there cumin seed on this table? Could you taste it?
No. I went by instinct.
Well, your instinct was right. That gives you a final score of 13. Against Chelsea's 11, you're 2 points ahead.
Yeah, I'm feeling quite happy about that. Got a little bit of a lead. Not much, but it's good having a lead.
So what are the ingredients you think you missed out on, Anna?
Salt,
Oh, salt.
pepper,
Nah. I'll put you out of your misery.
paprika.
Nigella seeds.
Ah.
That must be in a real authentic curry. Fenugreek seeds.
Ah, and I didn't miss
Of
any.
course.
Of course.
Chili flakes. Was there 2 meats in that curry? Yes, there was. Goat,
Goat, right.
Right.
lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
And of course, the Indians do not use stock in their cooking. Water.
I realise.